5 low-maintenance plants for the front of your house. Want to make your front yard look amazing, but without all the hard work? You're not alone. Choosing low-maintenance plants means you can enjoy a beautiful garden without needing to water, prune, or replant every week. The key is picking plants that are tough, adaptable, and thrive in different weather. Whether you're a busy homeowner or just new to gardening, these 5 plants will give your front yard a fresh, lively look without the hassle. Number 1. Boxwood Shrubs. Boxwood is a classic choice for front yards. These small, evergreen shrubs are easy to shape and don't require a lot of care. You can trim them into neat balls or simple hedges or let them grow naturally. They stay green all year long and do well in both sun and shade. Boxwoods only need watering during very dry periods and don't get many pests. Once they're planted, they're basically set it and forget it. Use them along walkways, near your front door, or under windows for a clean, tidy look. Number 2. Lavender. Lavender isn't just pretty, it smells amazing too. This plant adds a pop of color with its purple flowers and does best in sunny spots. It's drought tolerant, which means it doesn't need much water. Bees and butterflies love it, and it keeps mosquitoes away. Just plant it in well-draining soil, and it will grow with almost no effort. You can even cut some stems to use inside your home. Lavender is perfect for garden borders or planting beside your mailbox for a touch of charm and fragrance. Number 3. Hostas. If you have shady areas in front of your house, hostas are a great pick. These leafy plants come in lots of sizes and colors, from bright green to silvery blue. Hostas are super low maintenance, just plant them and they'll come back year after year. They don't need much water and are great at filling in empty spots. While they're mostly known for their big leaves, they also grow pretty flowers in summer. Hostas are ideal for planting under trees or next to the house where the sun doesn't shine as much. Number 4. Daylilies. Daylilies are colorful, hardy flowers that bloom again and again. They're one of the easiest flowering plants to grow and come in tons of colors like yellow, orange, red, and pink. Once planted, they need very little care and can survive in both hot and cold weather. They don't need much water, and their thick roots help keep weeds away. Plant them in rows along a garden bed or mix them with shrubs for extra color. Daylilies are great if you want beautiful blooms without the work. Number 5. Yucca Plants. Want a bold, modern look for your front yard? Try yucca. These spiky green and white plants love the sun and barely need any water. Yuccas are tough. Heat, drought, and even wind don't bother them. They're great for adding shape and texture to your garden, especially if you like a clean or desert-style look. They also bloom with tall white flowers in summer. You can plant them alone or with rocks and mulch for a low-maintenance front yard that still makes a statement. If you're looking for a low-effort way to upgrade your home's curb appeal, these plants are the perfect place to start. They're simple to care for, easy to grow, and make a big visual impact. No green thumb required. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and comment below if you know any other low-maintenance plants that deserve a spot out front. And if you want to keep your garden thriving, make sure to check out this video, Invasive Plants to Avoid in Your Garden. It could save you from a lot of future headaches. And remember, life is better when you garden.